going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So in this one I'm doing some rolled tacos with chicken and some cheese, some flautas or taquitos or whatever you want to call them. So I got this chicken right here. It's a 4-pound air chilled chicken that I spatchcocked. So basically when you spatchcock something, you just cut out the spine and you flatten it out and it cooks more evenly like that. Cooks a little bit faster. A lot of people, you could boil some chicken or you could cook it however you want. It really doesn't even matter. But I just figured you get just a little bit more flavor doing it like this. So I'm gonna get some corn tortillas, put some chicken and the cheese in there, roll them up, fry them in some oil, and put some guac and some other stuff on there. You can make them however you want, however you like, but this is the way I'm doing it, so stick around and check it out, guys. Here we go. All right, so now that I got this chicken spatchcocked, I'm just gonna make a simple rub that I'm gonna throw on here. So I'm gonna put a good amount of salt in there, like that. A bunch of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, chili powder, and some cumin. All right, so I want to make sure the chicken's dry. Just season it well. For the skin side, I'm gonna put some oil on there. Just to have like, oh my God. I put oil on there just to have a binder. Just season the hell out of it. All right, smokers come up to temperature 350 degrees. This is gonna take anywhere from like 45 minutes to an hour, I'm thinking. Cook the chicken to your desired temperature, 165 in the white meat, 175 in the dark meat, and you're gonna be good. All right, I'm gonna let this roll 30, 45 minutes, check on it. Should be done, then we're gonna shred it up. All right, so for the guac, I'm doing avocado, serrano, onions, a little bit of lime juice, and some cilantro in there. And for me, what I like to do is I like to keep everything else, I don't like to overdo it with all the other ingredients on there. Keep it mostly about the avocados, and it usually turns out pretty good. Get a good amount of salt in there. This is good. And of course, I'm gonna grate some sharp cheddar cheese. And also to go on top, I'm doing a little bit of like a pico. I'm doing some onion, tomato, serranos, and cilantro, and a little bit of lime juice in there too. I just go through and scrape out all the seeds and all that tomato jelly that's in there. Just dice them up. All right, guys, so this has been resting for about 10 minutes, just to let it cool down a little bit. I said 30 to 45 minutes to cook it, and that was way off. I don't know why I said that, but it took like about an hour and a half. So this is all done. All I'm gonna do is shred this up, and I'm gonna take the skin off. I'm gonna save the wings, just because I like the wings. Saving those. Gonna take the skin off, gonna chop up the skin and throw it in with the mixed pulled chicken, and then we're gonna stuff the tortillas and fry them up. There you go. So now I got that salty skin up in there. It's gonna make it a little more flavorful. And it's gonna be good. All right, so I got some cast iron right here heating up. I just got it on low heat. You don't want it too hot. A few tablespoons of some oil in there. And I'm just gonna put the corn tortillas in there, just get them pliable. The same way you would do if you're making enchiladas. It's only gonna take like a couple seconds on each side, just to get them all pliable. If you skip this step and you didn't heat these up like this, they're just gonna crack up on you and break. You're not gonna be able to make them. So all you gotta do now is just stuff these tacos. Just a little bit of chicken. A little bit of cheese. Roll them tight. Seam side down, and then when I fry them, they're gonna go seam side down, just so you get a good crust on one side. So I got about an inch and a half of oil in there, some vegetable oil. All you have to do is get it up to like 325, maybe 350. Just try not to go over that. And then you just fry them seam side down so it crisps up. And then you just get them golden brown, and that's pretty much it. When you see the bubbles, you know you're good to go. Oh my goodness. There you go, guys. Super crunchy chicken roll tacos. Very easy to make. And of course, you can make these any way you want. You can put whatever salsa you want on there, any hot sauce, any toppings you want to put. If you don't like guac, you can leave it out. But this is freaking amazing, so you should try it out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video. Peace out.